Hello guys, in this video I will tell you IKEA app not opening problem. So if you are facing this problem, so this video is for you. Please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, tap on IKEA app and then tap on app info option, and here tap on storage usage option, and here clear the cache as well as clear the data, and now okay. The next, go to Google Play Store if you are using Android, and App Store if you are using iPhone or iPad, and then tap on search option. After this, tap on search option here, and here search for IKEA, and then okay. Here you will see the update button, so simply tap on update and update it to the latest version. So simply update the app to the latest version. So this will fix the issue. So hope you will like this video.